Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring essential prerequisites are ready. Enable Wi-Fi and put the phone in airplane mode to avoid stray cellular tries. Next, connect to a known Wi-Fi network or set up your alternative access method, like USB tethering or a portable router. Once done, open network settings and prioritize the connection you will use. This prevents your device from trying to register on a non-existent SIM. Make sure passwords and apps are installed, so the next actions are immediate and smooth. Now you create the active connection. If using another phone, enable its hotspot and join it. If public Wi-Fi, choose the private network or captive portal and complete login. Once connected, test with a simple web page. If Wi-Fi is flaky, switch to USB tethering for faster, more reliable throughput, or pair via Bluetooth for low data. Also install and run a VPN so your traffic is encrypted. This protects you on open networks and ensures apps behave as if on a private link. To finish, secure the setup. Save the network, enable auto reconnect, and set data saving modes to avoid unexpected usage. Once done, verify email, messaging, and app updates work without a SIM. If something goes wrong, reboot both ends and toggle tethering or hotspot. Often that clears conflicts. If pages hang, make sure the VPN is off briefly to reach captive portals, test alternate DNS, and check that the hotspot allows internet sharing. This single troubleshooting path resolves most connection faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.